Hey Jay!
Hi Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to talk about the hypothetical past. Jay, what's wrong?
Well, I took my English test again and I failed again.
Oh no, Jay, what happened?
Well, I was really busy with work and then my friends came over and we played video games and
You didn't study.
no. If I'd studied more, I would have passed the test.
Jay, did you realize you just used the third conditional?
The what now?
Let me show you. You can talk about a hypothetical situation in the past, which is something that didn't happen, using the third conditional. Use if plus the past perfect, then would plus have plus PP. So if you had studied more, you would have passed the test.
Gee, thanks. So, what's the past perfect again?
Well, that's formed with had plus the PP.
There's that PP again. Can you remind me what that is?
Well, if you'd studied, you would have known what it is. The PP is the past participle, the other past form of the verb. So study becomes studied, know becomes known, forget becomes
Forgotten. Right, I remember now. And can we change the order of the sentence? I would have passed the test if I had studied more?
Absolutely. You just need to keep the if with the past perfect, not the would.
Okay, great.
So, this time we learned how to talk about the hypothetical past using the third conditional.
Now I have to try to take this test again. I have to pay for it again. I guess I'll have to study this time.
Well, if you had passed the test, we would have celebrated. I guess I'll save it for next time. Fingers crossed!
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.